Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of a royal match. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about a royal match and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage, then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.